video. And today's video, we're just gonna be vlogging. Let's go.
Going to the beach. Let's go.
Get into the elevator.
Oh, it opened. I opened it. Ooh.
Oh, okay, so we decided to take the stairs. Somebody was on the elevator.
So we're going downstairs right now.
Y'all be careful when going down the stairs because these kids just superhumans. I don't know. As soon as I said they can't slip, Carissa. See, this is why I say don't do that.
Alright guys, about to walk across the street to the beach.
That's a bit.
So pretty outside.
I wish the waves could be big so I could get surf the waves.
So we're gonna be crossing right there. Be there in a second.
His buddies are so they can get across the road. We're waiting for our time to go across the road. All these cars are gone.
It's a lot of traffic.
I ain't gonna get bit by a snake in your ass. Never be the same again. Like the same thing.
I want to the beach.
Which side y'all want to go to? Right or left? That's left.
I mean, this.
Oh, okay.
Texas Beach. Oh, lifeguard on duty.
Oh. Your hands. Throw me the ball.
The ocean is so pretty. Yes, I know. I say that a lot. Everything out here is so pretty.
Hey guys, right now we're playing catch with the ball that we got. You guys want to see me catch? Right here. Oh, okay.
What? That was nice.
My bad, my bad. Mom ain't the same. I'm sorry, man.
productive. TikToker. Look how clear the water is. Oh my goodness, I didn't pay attention. Y'all gonna go out past the waves? This, oh my goodness, looks so far out. Adrian, why you look so far out? But you're still close, but you're far out. It's like one of the best things. Walk across the street and go to the beach.
Today's a Saturday and we're just enjoying our day. Comment down below how you guys spend your Saturdays. Marco! Look at that. Dig some holes in my feet. See if I can surf.
What is that doing?
It's surfing.
So you're putting your feet in the ground to surf?
Yeah.
Oh, you're pretending to surf?
Yeah. Because whenever you dig your feet into the sand and then the water comes over and when the sand comes down, it feels like your body's moving.
Yeah, like you're sinking a little too.
It feels like quicksand. What are your feet stuck? Yeah, bury my feet. I'm going to try to do a back bend kickover. I did it.
That was good. I used to do that when I was younger. I need to learn to do it again.
My back hurts.
Good job. High five. High five the camera.
I'm burying my feet.
Oh, hit the water.
The water is gonna make it muddy and uncover them toes.
Oh, look at this taking all the sand back.
Uh-huh. Water is clear and pretty.
Quit sand straight to my eyeballs.
Off the jump.
That ain't doing this.
Oh! So whenever you sit in the water and you put your back to where the waves are coming from, when the waves hit you on the back, it feels so fun.
Yeah. You'd be out of breath and tired.
Like the waves, like the current will pull us backwards, and then the wave will smack us.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm so tired. And Daddy's leg was filled with air, and it looked like it was swollen.
Stretching, yoga 101 inside our tribe. Fitness.
Me and Marco Johnson can do a backflip. We can do a backflip. My friend's something else.
You say you about to do a backflip, Marco?
I did it.
Get my little writing right here. What does it say, Marco?
Marco,
A rebel to society norm. I'm so happy for you.
A rebel to society's norm. I'm so happy and grateful now.
look over here. Look. Wait, watch me real fast.
What's up?
Wait, watch this case.
Oh, I read that. Oh, that one? Fortnite streamer
This one says,
and YouTuber.
break your neck. Wait, Mom, watch me. Watch. Ready? How do you say that?
Good job, girl.
I spent an acid.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to enjoy ourselves for a little while and pick this camera back up before we get ready to leave. See y'all in a minute.
That's gonna wrap up this video right here. Hope we got enough footage for you guys. And if you guys enjoy, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, bye.
That's scroll through. What's it? Nice. I don't know, it's gonna be cold, man.